What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a unboxing video. Guys, we have a package. That is right, a package. We got a package from a very interesting company who I've been covering some content over here recently. Of course, that wasn't sponsored content by them. I was just lucky enough to have a customer at the Family Mine that has one of these. And of course, we are talking about Osprey. So Osprey actually reached out to me and thanked me for doing content over the E300, because that wasn't sponsored content or anything. I just really enjoyed the hardware and was lucky enough to get to create content and physically touch one and be able to use it to create content with. So they thanked me and they reached out and they asked for a receiving address and they sent me a package. So, what's in the box? We shall see. It's Osprey Electronics.io. Ooh-wee. I know what we have here. Hotspot G1. Guys, holy cow. Let's Alright guys, so here we are. We got the Osprey G1 hotspot. We open it up and we get user manual as well as, man, that's intense. This is an aluminum case. Wow, that's pretty cool. So full hotspot. Seeing if it had anything else on the bottom of it. Nope. So it is a full hotspot. USB-C right there. Antenna there, as well as there is your Ethernet, as well as two USB 3.0s, because this is a Raspberry Pi. Now, let's see if we can get into the other box here. Alright, so there is the antenna, the charging brick that come with it. Now this is just a base antenna. They actually said they were going to be sending out one of the upgraded antennas, so we'll have that up here rather soon that we can add and create content over as I drop it on the floor. YOLO. Guys, this is super cool. Thank you, Osprey, for sending this over. You guys are freaking awesome. Thank you very much, Flying Tiger and Flying Panda. You're awesome, guys. And let's get back to it. That is freaking awesome, guys. Cannot believe that they sent over a they sent this over. They said this is a gift for making some content, and I can create some content over this. I have had HNT hotspots before. They were owned by Emirates, so I'd be curious to know what it's like to actually own a hotspot and actually get all the rewards. HNT's kind of controversial, I know, but we get some cool hardware that we actually get to make some more content over. So I appreciate this, Osprey. Thank you for sending this package out and over. You guys freaking rock. More content coming soon, right? We'll see y'all in the next one, guys. Much love. Peace out. Keep your hash rates up. Them watts down low. Of course, keep mining. Peace.